Ja, jetzt aber. Der Brian und der Timmy liegen gefesselt am Boden.
What is it now?
Die Lage kann nicht besser sein.
Damn, this isn't funny. Help!
Shh, I'm trying to think.
Brian, what's up?
You can see it, can't you? Jack fooled us. He got us drunk and tied us up. Was hardly a difficult job.
But why did he do that?
I don't know, but if he comes back, I'll kill him, I promise.
Pass auf, wette dieser Check. What's so einer?
Brian, how long have you been away?
I'm not sure. I have a terrible headache.
And have you figured something out?
Yeah. Move your legs slowly and pass me a candlestick.
What candlestick?
It's right next to your leg, idiot. Just do as I say and we'll get out of here. So move.
Ein Kertenständer und dann?
I
Ich
can't
glaub, da
see
komme ich
it,
nicht gar nicht.
but if Brian says it's there, then it's definitely there. I can't see it.
Meine Haxen, Hände und der Schädel. Können wir treten? Ja toll, jetzt liegt er schon.
What?
You screwed up. I can't reach it now.
It wasn't my fault.
Be quiet, somebody's coming. You bloody
Oh,
bastard.
das ist Jack.
Shut up! You shouldn't have set the police against me. And you shouldn't have been snooping around at the cemetery. Don't think I don't know about it.
You bastard. What are you gonna do?
I'm going to introduce you to somebody. He's called the Night Rider, and he doesn't like squealers, just like I don't either.
Stop your rambling and inject them. I want to see what it's going to do to them.
Shouldn't I rather kill him?
No.
As you wish.
Adya, don't be stupid. We can talk about this. Just throw the needle away.
What have you done to him, you bastard? I'll kill you. Do you hear me?
You won't kill anybody. Go to hell.
Hey, Edo. Der Mann mit dem magischen Finger. Oder mir jetzt umgebracht oder grob betäubt.
Nice performance, adieu. It was quick, just as I like it. Now, take them someplace far away. To Gallows Hill, for instance, and bury them there.
Why so awkward? We can throw him in a canal.
No, there are policemen around the canal. They've already found the doctor. As I told you, you'll bury them under the gallows. They don't deserve anything else. And very deep. Understood?
Und Kumpel? Seid ihr beide tot oder was? Na, noch nicht ganz schön. Also Leute, tot sind wir nicht.
Damn, I can't see anything.
Aber ich glaube, die kommen sind lebendig ein.
Open the thing. I don't
Wie ein
want
Sir
to
Williams.
this. You have to calm down, Tim. Just think. I'm in a coffin, that's for sure. So what'll I do now? Jesus, how shall I calm down? I just want to get out.
Pass auf, im Sack. Was tue ich da?
If fists can't break it, nails will do. Ah, it's gone. But so are my nails. Ah, it hurts like hell.
Massives Holz. Ich glaube, geht mir so wie ein Sir Williams, oder? Der mir die Nägel abreißt.
You won't break your fist through it. You're no boxer, Tim. You have to think harder.
Härter? Mit Hack oder mit dem Schädel? Mit dem Schädel nicht, gell? So hart ist er nicht.
It won't move, but I won't give up. Not yet.
Combination? Nein.
It won't move. If there's a yard of earth above me, then it's over. You won't break your fist through it. You're no boxer, Tim. You have to think harder.
Aber, Timmy, du geht in mir. Mir habe ich nicht erinnert. Combination gibt's keine?
It won't move, but I won't give up. You won't break your fist through it. You're no boxer. If there's a yard of earth above me, then it's over.
Hey, hey, hey!
Also, schrei mich da. Das hilft bestimmt, oder?
What the hell was that?
Und? Der Typ hat weggeschaut.
It's getting loose.
Und Timmy geht was. Jawohl. Von den Toten auferstanden. Und es war die Nacht der lebenden Toten, da die Song.
Oh my god, I'm alive.
Einmal live, pass auf. Schau wie, die brauche ich gleich zum Zuhauen. Wo du mit der Schaufe? Ein frisches Grab. Das ist mal Brian. Kommt die geschaut? Wie grob die aus? Wobei bei dem Tempo. Und der grob 24 Stunden lang. Also der Reaktion noch, da die Song ist der Brian tot.
He must have woken up just like me. He tried to get out but failed. I should be lying there, not him. If only I was faster. If only I did something back there in the damn theatre.
Aber Brian, ich räche dich.
I can't leave him here just like that. I'll go and find a priest. I'm sure Brian would wish it so.
Bei der Timmy braucht die Schaufel. Da die Taschen. Vogelnest.
I swear on your grave that Adieu Jack will pay for this.
Möchtest du mitnehmen?
Forgive me, my friend. It shouldn't have ended like this.
Wo sagt die Tasche?
Adieu smokes too much. He wraps his cigarettes in the theatre leaflet. If it's from the abandoned theatre, then it might be a clue. The leaflet isn't complete. I need to ask one of the locals. I'll never find the theatre by myself.
So, da kriegen wir jetzt Zigaretten, kann ich sehen. Oder kurz am Fetzen Ski. Wo soll ich sehen? Ein Ticket?
I can't tell where exactly the theatre is. One of the locals might know.
Und im nächsten, was hast du da?
One stinking egg. What good luck.
Er gestungen sei. Ja toll. Damit stinkt die ganze Taschen. Also wenn du nichts mehr isst, dann hau ich ab, geh.
I'll go and find a priest. That's the last thing I can do for my friend.
Jetzt sucht ihr einen Priester? Na gut, geh um mich da. Vielleicht hat er Zeit.
I know this place. I'll try to find the priest.
Ja, der Priester, der war nicht weit. Vater, wie schaut denn aus? Bist du daheim? Geht wieder uns zum Beerdigen. Holy water.
I'm not sure what to do
Braucht
with
einen
it.
Schluck.
I used to go to churches only to steal. When I was a kid, I used to believe it was...
Ja gut. Nicht rumsitzen zum Bodern. Wobei,
I won't try anything as long as the
da krieg ich ja
priest's
nix.
here.
Probier du.
Good evening.
Perhaps you did not notice, young man, but it is too late. Our doors are closed.
But I need something. It's urgent.
Try again tomorrow.
A friend of mine died today, and I would like to arrange at least a slightly normal funeral for him. Could you come with me?
What? Now, in the middle of the night? Where?
It's not far from the town. He's in a pit under the gallows.
But it is pure nonsense. What are you thinking? This is not the way funerals are arranged. And furthermore, the earth under the gallows is not sanctified. Only murderers and suicides lie up there.
He wasn't a suicide. He was a decent man who never harmed anybody. He didn't deserve such an indignant end.
It is not possible. I am sorry. It is too late.
It's never too late for a good deed.
I am not a fool. I am not going anywhere with you. Do you understand?
I swear I don't want anything else. Just the funeral.
As I already said, if you need help, I can arrange it, but not this way. Bring the body. We will complete all the necessary forms, and then we shall see.
Can we do something else? Give me something I can put in his coffin. A crucifix or something. I don't want him to end up in a hole just like a dog.
This is insane. I am seriously considering calling the police.
That's not necessary. Just forget I was ever here.
Also Vater, wenn die mitgeht, dann zieh ich die um mich.
Stubborn old man. I have to manage without him.
Also da geht nichts mehr. Braucht den Fetzen? Niki. Oder? Ein Osterei? Mag auch nicht. Oh Scheiße. Möchte ich nicht die Leiche umziehen oder was?
Who'd go there and suck?
Da drunter ist nix.
Who'd go there
Du auch
and
nicht, ja gut überzeugt. Heraus ist auch nichts, oder? Da hinten die Gimmick. Da marschiere ich noch mit auf, oder? Brian, wie schlägt die mit?
I swear on your grave that Adieu Jack would pay for this.
Geht aber gerade nicht. Das Bladel brauche ich nicht. Das Ei auch nicht. Scheiße, wo tue ich?
I can't imagine a smellier bomb than this one.
Combination? Gibt's nicht.
I can't tell where it's...
Ja gut, ich sag da, es muss da was gehen. Den Vater muss ich da rausbringen. Da suchen wir das Ei. Wenn ich das da reinballert, dann springt er bestimmt.
I'll improve it a bit.
Wenn du sie stinkt wie
Me and
vollgeschissen.
Brian used to do this to distract the priest's attention while we were robbing the donation box. Good old days.
Ja, der wird dich brennen. Wenn die Suppe stinkt.
Oh God, what an awful stench.
Und es stinkt, du bist im Himmel.
Perhaps I did not express myself clearly. Could you leave, please?
Just calm down, okay? God, this place stinks like a sewer. When was the last time you changed the holy water?
What are you talking about?
You can't smell it. The holy water's spoiled. It's almost impossible to breathe in here.
It is not possible. What a stench! And I didn't notice it before. I must get rid of
Jetzt
it
wird ein umhauen.
immediately.
Just go. I'll keep an eye on the place.
Pass auf, hier geht. Moment, wo geht denn du? So, da kriegen wir jetzt den Rosenkranz.
If I died, Brian would do anything he could to make sure that I had peace. I'll take this thing and put it in his coffin. It's the least I can do.
Herr Tim, ich nicht rum, nimm den mit. Mein Gott, Jü. Der bricht in ein Haus ein. Ich hab geklaut am Fahren. Heilig ist ihm nix, gell? Möchtest du noch Wein? Nicht, gell? Nicht bei der Suppen. Er kriegt eine gepflegte Beerdigung. Wie es für Banditen gehört, gell? Mit einem geschulten Rosenkranz. Einen damit.
Goodbye, my friend. I'll miss you like hell.
Und mit dem Rosenkranz in der Hand fuhr er zur Hölle. Ja, bitte, verbuddelt hab ihn.
I swear on your grave that adieu Jack will pay.
Der Jack.
Forgive me, my friend.
In der Zunge, der ist jetzt fällig. Der Friedhof und die Wäscherei. Ich glaube, dass ich da muss. Oh Baby, kennt mich du noch? Ich bin zurück. Einen Einbruch und eine Beerdigung später bin ich wieder da.
Go away, or I'll release the dog.
Emily, you have no dog.
Who's there?
The poor chap to whom you provided clothes and who then ran to the pub. Are you still angry?
Oh my God, Tim. Wait a second, I'll open the door.
Oh honey, machen wir die Tür auf.
What a surprise. I thought I'd never see you again.
Hi, Emily. I'm sorry I couldn't come earlier.
You were arrested, I know.
What a smart girl you are.
Sure I am.
So you're not angry anymore?
No. I know the girl who's working at the Salted Cheek. I heard you helped her, and I'm very grateful for that.
How grateful?
You can stay here if you want, but don't expect anything more from me.
You haven't changed at all, Emily. But thanks for letting me stay at least. You're a fantastic girl.
Aber Fräulein, so unter uns, wir könnten schnell heiraten und die Biege machen. Oder ein bisschen plaudern.
When I see her, I realize something has changed. I have changed.
Überzeugt, die mag nicht plaudern. Und so in die Wäsche waschen? Aber mit dem
Emily, do you
Fetzen.
remember my pal?
Wie schaut denn aus?
I was
Mit dem
supposed to
Theater
meet him in
gehen.
a pub.
Not really. What was his name?
Brian.
Unfortunately, he's dead.
Oh, Tim, I'm really sorry.
Me too. Listen, Emily, I want to find his murderer. But all I have is this. Do you happen to know where this theatre is? It's been closed for a couple of years.
Don't be a fool, Tim. Leave it up to the police.
No, I can't. Will you help me?
All right, then. I know where it is. You have to go to the main square. Then head north. It'll lead you to where you need to go. You can't miss it. It's the oldest building in the district. Nobody goes there.
Thank you, Emily. For me as well as for Brian.
Just promise me you won't screw up, Tim.
I've finished with screw-ups. I promise.
So, es war das, wir marschieren zum Theater, oder? Da ist um.
When I see her,
Sie weiß nichts mehr. Tisch mal ab. Hat er was? Nicht, gell? Warte mal. Herrin war nichts mehr, oder? Heraus ist auch nichts. Abmarsch. Und die Theater befindet sich da unten.